Next up, we want to see how to make this call to action button and the bar that goes across the screen. It can actually be a little harder than it looks. I know it was for me at first, so I just want to show you how that works. Okay, so let's go back to our elements and let's hit up the intersection, of course, because we need two different items. We need the text and the button. Now let's hit the elements and let's grab some text, and then let's hit the elements again and we'll grab a button. There's a button. Okay, so even though the demo set uses the button on the right, in the middle, and the text sort of spanned wide, I want to show you a trick to get this section off to one side of your page if you want the focus to be like clicking over here or clicking over here. So to do that, you just pull the inner bar dotted line and you can totally move it over, or you can make it go over here. So that's pretty much how you do it. And then you can basically take the text and you can shorten it up. So like maybe this says like join our new retreat for relaxation, and then you just take the text and you right align it, and then you can push everything over here, or you can do the same with the left align. Like left align the text and pull the button over to the left. Alright, so pretty cool. You just have to make sure that when you do a mobile design of this, that you make sure that it's centered on mobile, and we'll show you how to do that at the end of the video when we mobile develop this site. Alright, so that's how the text and button work. We can obviously change the button to say something like learn more. And then what we want to do is make the button transparent, but first we should have that background of that nice dark black color. What color is that? Well, let's right click inspect, and let's find that it's just 252525. So we can copy that, and then we go to Elementor Home, and then we're going to click on the section settings, the blue dots, and then click Style, Background Type Classic, Color, and paste in that 6-digit color. Now we're going to go to Layout and stretch the section so we have it full width. Very cool. And then last but not least, we need to change the color of our text. So I'm really digging the gray on gray, but this gray is too dark. What gray is the button? If we click the button, click Style, Background Color, we can hit gray, and then we can choose a gray that's a little bit lighter, and then we can copy that gray for the text. Alright, so we're going to go with this gray, copy it, and then click on the text, Style, Text Color, and pop that in. So really easy to match one color with another color in Sydney. Alright, and that is how the button and the call to action works. Great job. And of course you could have this button go to different parts of your page, or you could just have it go to different pages altogether using an anchor link, or just a normal link. And let's update it.